If you're looking for an affordable mobile plan, you've probably compared Straight Talk and Visible. Most people get this wrong. They assume all budget carriers are the same. The surprising truth is that these two offer very different benefits depending on what you value most: coverage, pricing, or flexibility. Straight Talk operates on major networks including Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, giving UI coverage across the U.S. They offer prepaid plans that start around $35 per month with options for unlimited talk, text, and data. However, high-speed data may be throttled after a certain limit depending on the plan, and international calling is limited. Visible is a digital-first carrier running on Verizon's network. It offers a simple $40 unlimited plan that includes unlimited data, talk, and text with hotspot capability. The biggest advantage is simplicity: one plan, no hidden fees, and taxes included. Visible is best for those comfortable managing their account entirely through an app. There are a few considerations. Straight Talk provides physical SIM cards and in-store support, which is helpful if you need personal assistance. Visible, being app-based, lacks physical stores and some customer service options, but it excels in transparency and simplicity. Feed-wise, both use Verizon's network, though network congestion may impact performance differently depending on location. In conclusion, choose Straight Talk if you want flexible plan options and access to in-store support. Choose Visible if you value simplicity, all-inclusive pricing, and hotspot access on an unlimited plan. Both are solid options, but your choice depends on your priorities. If this comparison helped you decide, subscribe for more honest mobile carrier reviews and tips to save on your phone bills.